What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been ages since I've posted something over here on YouTube, but anyway, I'm back with a weird video that I wanted to do for a while. So this video is called the Chelsea smile, where you have a big cut smile on your face. I don't know, it's weird, but I thought I'd do it. So I've outlined where I want the cut smile to be, and then I'm just taking a white glue. It's basically like a school glue that you use at school, but it's non-toxic, so it's kind of safe on your skin. Well, it is safe, not kind of. I could have used liquid latex, but I decided to go with something much more cheaper because sometimes it could be expensive. I mean, it is, but this is just an alternative way to show how you could use other stuff like glue or lash glue, which could be really safe onto your skin. This is very basic, very simple, very easy to do, and it's such an amateur way to do it. So there's no professional thing going on here, so it's really easy to do it. Now for this step, you have to be extra careful when you're gonna have to cut the tissue to create a smile. So with the support, I took a brush just to insert into the tissue and use the scissors to cut them off. Since the tissue is gonna feel like a paper mache, so you have to be really careful. And it's up to your desire how much you want to cut, how far you want to go, how deep you want to go. And just repeat the same step on the other side. I'm using a foundation to cover up. And then you can just cut off the excess. Here comes the fun part. If you're a guy, just use anything. You don't have to use a red lipstick. Seriously, you don't. But just grab your sister's or your girlfriend's or your wife's lipstick and just use it all over your face. The funny part is, it's not really a red lipstick. Like, I don't know where I got that from, but I used it anyway. And then I'm taking a brown body paint or face paint, and I'm applying it where the red lipstick is. After that, I took a black body paint or a face paint and applied it on the same areas. The best part is when you mix a lot of dark colors together, including like lots of reds and lots of maroonish, brownish, blackish, you know, all these dark colors. It makes it pop. And finally, the best part is to add some blood. The more blood you add, the more gory it looks and the more dope it looks. So just keep adding blood and more blood. Okay, so basically that's it. We are done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's kind of weird, but yeah, I thought I'd do it anyway for you all, and hopefully I come up with more FX makeup. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.